Oh yeah, look at that. That is so good. Come back to the 80s with me, guys. Today we're making devil dogs. My son has literally been outside shoveling forever, so I'm gonna make him a very special treat. So in my bowl, I'm gonna start off with 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese that I've softened and let come to room temperature. If you don't have mascarpone cheese, that's fine. You can use cream cheese. Now, I just want to give that a whisk really quickly just to get it, make sure it's all softened up. It's perfect. Leave room temperature. Like I said, this could not be quicker, easier. I'm using box chocolate cake mix. You can use any chocolate cake mix you want. It doesn't matter, devil food or dark chocolate, it doesn't matter. I like the devil food one because it is the closest to the devil dog itself. I have 3/4 of a cup of milk and a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. You can use any neutral oil that you want. 3 eggs. Without the shell, of course. Just gonna give this a whisk and mix it all together and get it all combined. You're gonna see that the texture of this is not like a cake mix that you would traditionally make a cake with. It is much more airy, and you don't need a stand mixer, you don't need a hand mixer. As you can see, I'm doing it here by hand with a hand whisk in a bowl. It's so simple. Make sure you get the bottom of the bowl, okay? It's that simple. Now look, you can see that the consistency of this is it's very thick. It's gonna hold its shape, which is what we want. Cross, I think, between like a brownie batter and a cake batter. Let me get the whisk out of here. I have 2 spoons, and I have these fancy dancy silicone Twinkie pans. So I'm gonna use this. If you don't have these, it's fine. You don't need it. This is not rocket science here. You can use a cake pan, and you can make a double layer, so a layer of the devil's dog cake, then the cream filling, then another layer of cake. It doesn't matter. I think this is fun, it's nostalgic, and it gives it its authentic shape. And you can find these on Amazon. So I take a spoonful and I put it into the well of the cake pan, and you'll see why I have the other spoon in a minute. And you want to fill each well to the top. Another way you can make these, if you don't have this type of pan, you can use an ice cream scoop, and you scoop by scoop onto a cookie sheet. It would be a whoopie pie. The possibilities are endless here. So why I had the second spoon, I have all of my wells filled up with the cake mix, and I like to take a spoon and dip it in some water, knock off the excess onto a paper towel, and then just smooth the tops of each cake out. And I wipe it on the paper towel, dip it in the water, and I do it again, and I'll do all of that. Now that we have each one of our wells filled up with our batter, I'm gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for between 18 and 22 minutes, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Our devil dogs are done baking, and they're nice and cooled off now, and look at how cute they came out. They're perfect. So what do we wanna do here is we wanna take one out. Look at that. Is that not the perfect devil dog shape? Okay, so what we wanna do is we wanna put it on a plate, take a knife, and we wanna cut it in half. And then we're gonna put in our filling. Now I'm filling these 2 different ways. One traditionally with the vanilla cream filling. If you want the recipe for my vanilla cream filling, just let me know in the comment box and I'll be happy to send it over. So we're just gonna pipe that on. If you don't have a piping bag, that's fine. You could just use a spoon. So you pipe a line down the middle, and then you take the other half, you put it back on top, and you give it a push. And there's our devil dog. Now we have to break it open and taste it, right? Look at that. Did you look at that? It brings you right back to the 80s. How could you not love a devil dog? Okay, but now I want to show you the second way that I fill it. So we're going to take another one, cut it down the middle. Now I'm using this Dubai filling, which is pistachio flavored from Nerdy Nuts. Not sponsored. I just love this stuff. This is so good. I also make my own pistachio cream, but I just don't have pistachios in the house. And if you want the recipe to that as well, just let me know in the comments. So I'm just gonna take about a 1/2 tablespoon of this. I'm gonna put it right down the middle, like we did with the cream filling. Put the top back on, and there you have it. Our Dubai devil dog. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. That is so good. My son is gonna love this when he comes back in from shoveling. What a great treat. Guys, if you want the recipe to my devil dogs, just comment the word recipe in the comment box below, and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Thanks so much for hanging out with me on this snow day. Bye.